If your YouTube videos are playing silently through your Bluetooth headphones or speaker, let's get that audio flowing again with these quick fixes. First things first, let's ensure your volume is actually up on your connected Bluetooth device, whether it's headphones or a speaker. Locate the physical volume buttons, press and hold the volume up button to maximize the sound. It sounds simple, but this is often the culprit. Next, let's check your phone's volume. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the quick settings. Make sure the media volume slider is also turned all the way up. Sometimes the Bluetooth device volume is good, but the phone's media volume is muted or too low. Now, confirm that your Bluetooth device is properly connected and selected as the audio output. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings. You should see your device listed as connected. If not, tap on its name to reconnect. Also, check if another app is currently using the Bluetooth. Sometimes a previous connection can linger and prevent new audio from playing. Within YouTube itself, there could be a setting affecting playback. Open the YouTube app, tap the gear icon in the top right corner while a video is playing to access settings. Look for any audio output or casting options. Ensure that your Bluetooth device is selected as the intended audio output and not a different connected device like a smart speaker. If the issue persists, a simple restart of the connection can work wonders. Go back to your phone's Bluetooth settings, tap on your Bluetooth device and choose disconnect or forget device. Then, turn off your Bluetooth from your phone's quick settings. Wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Finally, repair your Bluetooth device by searching for it and connecting again. With these steps, you should now be enjoying your YouTube content through your Bluetooth device with all the sound you're expecting.